Hi, let's quickly see how to claim the discount using the Hostinger coupon code 2026. See, this is the proof that you are getting the Hostinger discount. So, let's get into the video. First, click the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link in this video description. Next, choose the hosting type you need, like web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or VPS hosting. Now I am choosing VPS hosting. Now you can see the plan options. So, take your time and choose based on your needs. Once you go through the plan, hit the Choose Plan button. Next is the order summary page. Here, choose the billing period of 1, 12, or 24 months. The 24-month billing period is the best value. And for this, you will get a 1-year free domain also. Now, scroll down and choose a server location that is closest to you or your audience for optimal performance. Next, in the order summary, you can see the referral discount of 20%. This is because of my Hostinger coupon code link. Now hit the Continue button. Enter your email and set a password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment. You will receive an email and that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link. It is very simple and just 2 minutes of work. Enjoy hosting. Thanks for purchasing.